What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick stash ad slash rant. Was at Hobby Lobby today. Went in to pick up some square tubing for another couple projects I have in mind. I want to build a trailer, and I wanted to try some of this weathering stuff. That, oh my gosh, it's so expensive. But I don't know, I've seen some pretty cool stuff done with it, so I've got an idea. I'm gonna test it on one of the builds that was already weathered, so we'll see how that works out. But the spendy, oh my gosh, I was in there looking around. Primarily I went in for the sprue, or the square tubing, and I'd heard that they have these kits as well as some other new releases in stock, and I was shocked that they actually did. I was blown away that, wow, okay, cool, these are new releases. But the pricing, oh my goodness, this one was $35. I mean, yeah, after the 40% off, it was $42 for these two kits. That's still $20 a piece, $21. I mean, I went through and looked, and the cheapest one that I could find was that Nova was like $22. And this old AMT Camaro was $27, $30. $30 for that kit, and it just, oh my gosh, $40, $40, $40, huh? Yeah, I couldn't agree more. So I'm about to do an unboxing on both of these, and I just wanted to share that real quick, that the rumors are true. Hobby Lobby has raised their prices quite substantially. In my opinion, they're going to price themselves right out of a demographic. I mean, that's a lot of money for a kid to come up with for this. I know us adults that are into it, $20, $40, it's not the end of the world, but it's still a lot. That's a lot. So, whatever. End rant. I'm about to get into the unboxing portions of these. I've heard some bad stuff about this one. I've heard that it's not the greatest, that it's basically a snap tight kit. So, we'll see. And this one, it's an NPC, so I don't have a whole lot of faith in either one of them, but I got them so that maybe you don't have to. I mean, that's not why I got them. I got them because I wanted them. Let's not kid ourselves. But you'll see the unboxings, and then maybe you'll see, oh, I don't want that one. So whatever. That about does it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Like I said, we're about to do an unboxing for both of these, and stay tuned to the channel for those coming up.